jump the truck off if we can connect these two sets of jumper cables.
If this works, you're a redneck genius.
Hey, it ain't stupid if it works. I like to keep an extra vehicle when my vehicle breaks down on the regular. This truck's always leaving me somewhere.
So the end result is
Trickle charging may or may not work, but it might take a very long time. So it's not working now, is what I'm saying. And I don't know, some lady said that some guy named Charlie Walker would come down here and help me off. So now we're just waiting to see if Charlie shows up.